Seeing bear in a dream. Bear in a dream, a bear represents someone with a physical infirmity who is evil, deceitful, perfidious and betraying. A bear in a dream also represents a dull and a heavy-looking woman who takes pleasure in partying, uninhibitedness and enjoying all types of entertainment. Seeing a bear in a dream also means capture or imprisonment, or he could represent a stupid enemy, a thief, an effeminate person, or a trickster. If one sees himself riding over a bear in a dream, should he qualify, it means that he will manage a loathsome business. Otherwise, it means that he will be struck with fear and distress, then he will escape from his trials. A bear in a dream also means travels, returning from a journey, or he could represent a prostitute. If one has access to such a woman, he must beware not to commit adultery.